don't forget to flip after 15 minutes or you'll get burnt to one side. Why you mad? Boy, sexy boys over here. Why you
Good morning, guys. This is another beautiful, incredible day here at Latitude, Bali. This place is honestly a dreamland. It's nuts. I think I've gotten lost here trying to, find my way from villa to villa. I think there's 6 bedrooms or something, but it's a journey. Also, it's a scorcher, so everyone on the team is sunburnt today, which is kind of funny. All we want to do is stay here and be in the sun. So this is my favorite room out of all of them. The living room, the humble abode. Please note, guy might have gotten heat stroke last night. We're not sure. He was having a little puke show. No big deal. The resi stalls. This is my most favorite part of this villa. The pool. It's nuts. I'll be honest, this pool is it's bigger than most pools in a hotel. It is a bloody scorcher today in Bali, and I have no idea what we're gonna get up to, but we're likely gonna film a whole bunch of skits, montages, and fly the drone like a million times because this place is too incredible not to document.
So today's been a really fun day because we moved to the most beautiful villa we've ever been to ever. And it's been very fun getting some sun, playing in the pool, hanging out. But I do have to tell you a story about something that happened last night. Mindy and I went for a rip. And we were close to the beach, like, hey, you want to go for a night swim at the beach? And so we find a beach, we drive down to it, we walk down a steep set of stairs because it's on a cliff, and it's pitch black. We set up on the beach. It's probably like a 5-minute walk down this hill. Put on a bathing suit. I got my little light with my phone. I'm just lighting things. And then Mindy is standing beside me, and then she yelps and she just screams and shoots straight up.
I was changing into my bikini, and then all of a sudden I felt this something on the top of my foot. So I look down. Rush has got his light, and I see this just this black and blue mass making its way across my foot, and I realized it's a snake.
Mindy had a brush with what we have since discovered is a banded crate sea snake, which is poisonous as fuck. Apparently, these snakes are 10 times more poisonous than a king cobra, and 1 drop of this snake's venom can kill up to 1,800 people. Something just took me back to watching Nat Geo. I was like, okay, wait, that's a sea snake. It's coming out of the ocean. It's blue and it's black and it's striped. That is a poisonous creature. So I jump, I run around, and I feel that my foot is bleeding. And I'm like, oh shit, why am I bleeding? Could it have gotten me without my noticing it before Mindy, or maybe when I jumped when Mindy yelped. Anyways, still.
You yell.
Get your shit. Walk towards me, Lavis. Come towards me. You come. Come on, Mindy, come to me.
What about your backpack? Your backpack!
Come with me. Oh God. You yelped when you first saw it. You yelped and you jumped up when it brushed you. Clearly I'm still alive, so I did not get bit by a snake. I just tapped on some coral and cut my foot. In the heat of the moment, it was really scary. We had a kind of a brush with death. Not really, but sort of.
Well, that's what Kenzo said. Kenzo has a nifty little spiel because he's a dive instructor, right?
When you came back and you told us about the snake story, and you're like, we saw this bluish black striped snake, literally my fucking jaw dropped. I froze because right away I knew that was a banded sea crate, which is one of the most poisonous snakes in the world.
That's it. That's our story. We made it.
So, if you want to know what goes down inside a content creator's house, well, let me tell you right now, it's a bit chaotic. I'm going to run you through it with Parker Huser. So, step 1, we have Balaki with a
DJI Mavic.
DJI Mavic. What kind of shots are you getting, Balaki?
We're actually just pounding her down. It's too dark now, so we have no shots at all. Well,
right.
Dang got some shots.
Fair enough. And we've got the Russian taking photos of Mindy the lion. Some would call these a thumbnail. All right.
The problem is
is that we got all these people wanting to get these sweet, sweet pool shots, but we can't do them all at the same time because we all need the pool.
This is my turf. I got this shot.
Gosh darn it, we can't go.
It's not your time yet.
We can't go anywhere. It's not our time now.
Life of a content creator. Bunch of doofuses. Oh my God, what's going on over there? Oh.
Welcome to the underwater orchestra.
Oh. I'm speechless. I don't really know what to say while here. This is nuts. The fact that we don't have to pay to stay here has been blowing my mind. Alyssa and I went to sleep in one of 3 little bedrooms here. Each one has its own bathtub, like outdoor jacuzzi and all this stuff. I'm like, well, A, I fell asleep like a baby, but B, I fell asleep with this weird feeling inside me. It was like this dissonance. How is this possible? How is this real life? So I just want you guys to know we're trying our best not to act like spoiled brats, though I know that it may come across that way because I think this place costs several $1,000s a night and we don't have to pay that, but we're all humbled by this entire experience and I can't wait to try and help you guys learn how to build brands, learn how to utilize social media to do this kind of travel too, because that's the world we live in, and it's a bloody exciting one, I'll tell you that much. You know, 5-6 years ago, we had no idea what High on Life was gonna become. It was just a passion project. But had we known 5-6 years ago the possibility, the opportunity that is there, that's here right now, our brand would be, you know, 50 miles ahead of where it is now. And regardless, the exciting part is that it's here to stay. Like, you know, the world of social media is changing the economy. It's changing the way people buy things. It's changing the way people learn about things. And it's changing the way a business sell their products and all that stuff. And if you can learn how to capitalize on it and you know how the system works, then you can leverage it to live a life completely by design, however you want, like whatever your passion is. As the year has gone by, and what is it? It's April right now. We are inundated with requests. People asking for the secrets, like, what is the magic sauce? Like, what did you do? What do I have to do to be able to get this? And the funny part is, there is no secret sauce. It's not just a plug and play. There's a lot of work that goes on behind the scenes to make any of this happen. But the truth of the matter is it's possible. It's possible for anyone. It's possible for you. And it's possible no matter what you're passionate about, like whatever you want it to be. If you want to be in the fashion space or the luxury travel space, or you just like sports, or you like comedy, or you like teaching people, you like inspiring people, whatever it is, there is a space for you to step into this world, into this pool, as a matter of fact, and start taking advantage of the influencer economy, the digital nomadic space, and come join us here, because this is bloody awesome. And that's about all I have to say. I'm gonna go take a dip in the pool, and I'll catch you guys in a bit.